This is the swarm of bees that Demetria White says have literally trapped her family inside. Her kids would watch them from a bedroom window.
One sting could take me out or my children out.
Because they're allergic to stings. Demetria's son noticed the bees coming from this plastic toy outside about a week ago. Since then, she scoured the internet and made many calls for help.
And he said we couldn't touch the bees because they're on a list. Virginia State list that they're endangered.
Then she turned to 13 News.
We have a beekeeper coming here to look.
I would just kiss you and hug you because it's hard. I don't want to be emotional, but it's scary.
Frank Walker, you're quite welcome, man. You're quite welcome.
Frank Walker of Tidewater Beekeepers Association brought equipment to safely remove the bees.
We'll put them in a hive and somebody in the Tidewater area having their apiary.
Meaning the bees can continue to pollinate, and now Demetria and her kids don't have to worry anymore about getting stung.
Oh, I can come outside. My children can come outside. I am so happy. I'm all ready to cry.